Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Slack integration with HubSpot for notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Slack integration with HubSpot for notifications, start by opening your web browser. Go to the HubSpot website. Log into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the App Marketplace. You can find the App Marketplace in the main navigation menu. In the App Marketplace, use the search bar to type in Slack. Select the Slack integration from the search results. Review the integration details on the Slack app page. Click on the Install App button. You may be prompted to connect your Slack account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize HubSpot to access your Slack account. After authorization, you'll be taken back to HubSpot. Here, you can configure your notification settings. Choose the specific events in HubSpot for which you want to receive Slack notifications. You can customize how notifications appear in Slack. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save button. You have now successfully integrated Slack with HubSpot. To test the integration, create a sample event in HubSpot that matches your notification settings. Check your Slack channel to ensure you receive the notification. If everything is working correctly, you are all set to use the integration. You can always revisit the integration settings to make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.